Welcome to my video. So today I'll be teaching you how to draw an umbrella in a very simple way. So first of all, I try to draw my curve line. As you can see, then I try to make lines under the big curving ones in order to make it look like the umbrella you know. Then after I draw the tip of the umbrella that is joined to the handle of the umbrella, draw it at the middle of the curvy peak lines. Then I try to split it as you can see. Then I make lines to further draw the handle of the umbrella. But in your case, if you cannot draw a straight line, just like the way my hand shakes here, you can make use of ruler. It is also perfect for doing it, but the more you practice with your hand, with your free hand, the more you know how to draw a straight line. So I added the tip of the umbrella to it. To each of it. Then I proceed to shading each section. Because one thing about shading is, if we leave the drawing at just plain line, it won't make it to look real, because what I want you to learn in this drawing is just basic ways, elementary way you can draw, and to also make it look real. So your shading is important, even if it will not be as perfect as people that are professionals, but you just learning it, you have to add a little shading, just like the way I'm doing it, to make it look real, to take it away from it being just line to being drawing. And also you shade your irons. Thank you. See you in the next video.